Hi guys, welcome back to Digital OETV. We hope you are safe and sound and your business is beginning to accelerate its growth process. In today's video, we are going to discuss 5 ways Facebook advertising can help you improve your business and achieve online success. We will also discuss Facebook Marketplace in case you don't have an official website yet. But before we begin, let's first discuss why having a strong presence on Facebook might do the trick for you to increase your conversion rates. This said, you have a lot of potential to direct sales via Facebook if your Facebook advertising strategy is in right place. Nowadays, you might have noticed that people are beginning to sell directly and through Facebook. This falls under Facebook feature, Facebook Marketplace. The advantage of having a presence on Facebook Marketplace is that it eliminates the need of having a website. While we recommend you to have your business website, if you manage to have a strong presence on Facebook, you can directly sell through Facebook Marketplace. Now coming back to things you must remember about Facebook advertising. Let's start. The first one is Facebook graph search. Before you begin creating and implementing your Facebook ad strategy, let's see the research part of Facebook advertisement and use of a very important tool called Facebook graph search. Facebook graph search is usually used to build up your audience. It's a must that before you plan to run an ad campaign, try to find information about your market sector and start researching Facebook tactics. You need to know who your market are and understand who your clients should be. Then understand how you can promote your company, product and services to these potential audience. Overall, finding a right marketing persona is the key to the success. Check the groups which they are member of. Check their followers and the people they are following. Second one is Facebook Audience Insight. It is one of the best tools that allow you to earn about specific audiences before risking your budget or targeting them. It works by mining available Facebook data and showing you exactly who your target market is based on people who already like your page. Instead of taking a shot in the dark, you know now exactly which users are likely to follow through with your ads, call to action, helping you save a lot of time and effort. Third is different ad search for different audiences. Facebook advertising platform allows you to create separate ad sets for unique audiences. This means that you can create two different ads and deliver them to two completely unique audiences, resulting in better targeting and higher conversion rate. For example, let's say you are a retailer that sells fitness bicycles. Maybe you have a really awesome new fitness bicycle that you are trying to market to two different groups. Instead of delivering the same ad to everyone, you can create two unique ads and deliver them to two distinct target markets. The first ad could be targeted towards professional gym trainers and owners, whereas the second one may be focused on an individual people who want a fitness bicycle for their homes. Fourth one is to establish a bid strategy and budget. It's critically important that you set a bid strategy and budget, otherwise you will end up spending way more than you intended. Thankfully, Facebook makes this easy by allowing you to use what's known as optimized CPM. With this tool, you are essentially giving Facebook the permission to bid for ad space based on the constraint and goals you provide. This generally allows you to maximize your budget and avoid overspending. When you choose your ad pricing, you will get three options. The first one would be bid for likes, post engagement, website clicks, etc. Second is bid for clicks. The third one is bid for impressions. Once you choose your goal, you will get bidding options. Auto bid. This option always changes depending on the type of Facebook ad which you want to use. These are called auto bids. Try running your first ad with auto bids if you are new to see how many click, like, etc. received from auto bids. No matter what anyone says, it can be a good learning experience to try this for yourself. The second one is CPC. With this type of pricing, you will be charged every time someone clicks on your ads. CPM. The third one, it will be with this you will be paying per 1,000 impressions, that is the number of times that your advert is displayed on someone's news feed or right column ads. The fifth and the most important one is Facebook Marketplace for local customers. In case you are just beginning to take your business online and are exploring new alternatives to make sales without having to invest in creating a website, Facebook Marketplace is the place to be. Facebook Marketplace let you put up ads for everything from furniture and clothing to cars and housing. It lets you sell to anyone, anyone within your 100 miles radius, rather than limiting you to friends or group members. Here are some tips to follow. Take good quality, professional picture of your products. Price high and prepare for negotiation. List each item separately. Optimize your Facebook page because your Facebook marketing is linked with it. Now, wrapping up this discussion, creating a killer Facebook ad campaign is all about understanding the platform and utilizing the features you have at your disposal. While you certainly need to think about the ad itself, you have to start with the platform you are using. Once you determine who you are targeting and how much you are willing to spend, you can then focus on the finer details. However, Facebook advertising is not as easy as it seems. It requires a professional eye to make sure that the campaigns are yielding the desired results. We understand that you, as a business owner, might not have the luxury of time to take up the Facebook advertising work. This is where Digital Oil comes in. Get professional Facebook marketing services for helping your brand boost its online sales and ROI. We hope that with the video, you get an insight into what Facebook advertising is all about. See you next time. Until then, happy digital marketing.